In this video, I'll show you how to export your Goodreads library to StoryGraph using a PC. Start by opening any browser and logging into your Goodreads account. At the top, click on My Books. This will display all the books currently saved in your Goodreads library. If you have many books and want to export them to StoryGraph without doing it manually, scroll down on the left side of the screen until you see the Tools section. Under this, click on Import and Export. On the next page, find and click Export Library. This will generate a CSV file of all your books listed with a date link. Click it, and it will download to your computer. Next, go to StoryGraph. If you have no books yet, your library will appear empty. Click on your profile icon at the top right and select Manage Account from the drop-down. Scroll down until you find the Goodreads Import section. Click on Import Goodreads Library. On the next page, scroll to Step 2, where you'll see the Choose File button. Click on it, upload the CSV file you downloaded from Goodreads, and then click Import my Goodreads library. StoryGraph will confirm that your data has been received, and it will take a short time to process. When you return to your homepage, you'll see your Goodreads books successfully added. This is how you can quickly export your Goodreads library into StoryGraph on your PC.